歡迎收睇今集嘅醫護與你，我係 Christina 梁展穎。喺醫院嘅手術室裏面，我哋成日都會諗起麻醉師、手術醫生、病人等等，但係我哋好少會諗起做手術嘅醫療用具。今集我會帶大家去參觀一個非常特別嘅醫療供應商展覽會，不如帶大家去睇下。近日，矽谷嘅 MEDevice 喺 Clara 會議中心舉行咗為期2日嘅醫療科技博覽會，參展商涵蓋咗多個領域，包括手術室設備配件、醫療產品嘅尖端科技研究，以及專為醫院設計嘅醫療用品等等。
Hello, my name is Robert Jones. I'm Regional Sales Manager for Onyx Healthcare. Today at MEDevice, we're exhibiting our medical box PC. This is currently giving an example of an endoscopy application. Traditional endoscopies are managed by a physician who's manually tracking the endoscopy through the patient. With this device, you're able to use a tracking software and also image detection software. This is also helping the endoscopy go through the operation without human interaction so that it reduces human error. It also is looking for abnormalities on the external side so that you can detect an issue automatically for the physician to review. This uses NVIDIA's latest technology so the physician can sit back and monitor and look for any abnormalities as well, as opposed to focusing on the navigation side of it.
Robert 解釋，傳統嘅內窺鏡檢查需要醫生手動追蹤內窺鏡嘅位置。有咗呢個裝置，追蹤過程就可以自動化，令整個程序無需要人手操作。唔單止可以減少人為嘅錯誤，亦能協助偵測異常嘅情況，讓醫生更全面觀察整個過程，並提升診斷嘅準確率。
Yes, I'm Larry Miller. I'm one of the managing partners of 219 Design. I am showing off right now this little demonstration of the Cyber Glove device. They're one of our longtime clients, and we made the electronic control pack and battery pack to interface with their motion capture glove. And I'm capturing the data from my hand motions and mapping it to this robot hand that we're controlling. The glove product that we worked on is used by academic researchers to study people with hand conditions and how they're able to use their hands and how they're able to progress when they're going through different therapies and measure the range of motion that they can get. There's a lot of other applications for this, like virtual reality immersion, training data for humanoid robots to have it mimic hand movements, and motion capture technology for people to use human hand movements in animated films. This is a pilot device that we made for our client's allergy amulet. They are using this little device to help people detect allergens in their food. If somebody with severe allergies goes out to a restaurant and they want to make sure that the food that they're eating doesn't contain any allergens that they're allergic to, like peanuts or shellfish or soy, they can take a sample of their food, put it in a little cartridge that interfaces with this device that we developed. It'll run some chemical analysis on that food sample, and it'll tell them what allergens are present in their food so they can make sure that it's safe to eat.
Larry 介紹呢款電子手套嘅裝置，佢可以將手部嘅運動連接喺機械人嘅手上。呢個裝置用於學術研究，例如治療追蹤、虛擬實境動作控制以及動畫製作等等。除此之外 ，Larry 亦介紹一款小型嘅裝置，用嚟檢測食物有冇患者可以過敏嘅成分。使用方法好簡單，只需要少量嘅食物樣本放入呢個盒仔裏面，裝置就會顯示食物有冇含有過敏嘅成分。
David Gooden, Vice President of Business Development for All Motion. And what we do is we manufacture miniature motion control devices used in robotic applications. We're here at Biomed because a lot of our motion control devices are used in laboratory automation machines, such as blood sample analysis, cancer cell analysis, that sort of thing. One of our latest projects, we're working with a company who has a test procedure that we've helped them automate that isolates single cancer cells from blood samples. The entire goal of this will be to create customized cancer treatments for patients that of course are diagnosed with cancer, because not all cancers respond the same to the same treatment. So if you can isolate the cells and create a customized treatment for that particular cancer, your outcome is going to be much better. People who are developing tests, we help them automate their tests. Like a lot of research will start out with a manual method where you're in a laboratory where laboratory technicians do a test, but it's all manual. They're actually handling the samples manually and transferring blood, that sort of thing. We help them automate that whole process so that when they move it into a large-scale application, you can have a machine and a laboratory that takes care of this whole test. So they can just introduce a sample into the machine takes care of the automation of prepping, dilution, detection, all that good stuff, so they get the final result out without human intervention in a faster period of time.
David 表示，佢嘅最新項目係從血液樣本中分離出單一癌細胞，目標係為病人度身訂造癌症嘅治療方案，希望可以提升治療嘅準確性同效果。睇咗咁多高端嘅醫療科技，大家係咪對呢個行業越嚟越有興趣呢？原來要醫治一位病人，唔單止靠醫護團隊，背後仲有大量嘅醫療研究人員同埋各種配套嘅設備等等。大家都有一個共同目標，就係希望可以更準確、更有效咁去醫治病人。相信只要科技同醫療攜手合作，我哋就能夠為更多生命帶嚟希望。